again. So here we're going to solve the worksheet 3 bits from the concept 3, that is air pollution, right? So here we have the following bits. Let's do one by one in theory, okay? So first bit, atmosphere is polluted by options: nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, all the above. Now tell me, what are the right options? Atmosphere is polluted by all the gases. Okay, right answer. So nitrogen dioxide formula NO2, sulfur dioxide formula SO2, carbon dioxide formula CO2. So all the three gases are the pollutants, right? Atmosphere, it is polluted by all the three gases. So namely nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. Option is for all the above, right? Now, next question. Solid, liquid and gaseous substances are present in the higher volumes in air. It is called air లో ఈ solid, liquid, gaseous contents present in higher volumes అంటే ఏమంటారు దాన్ని? Air pollution అంటారు. What is the name? Concept name? Water pollution? Sound pollution? Mari? Air pollution. Very good. Oh, you solved already? Good, good. Now, decrease in the area of forests cause the decrease in. ఒకవేళ ఫారెస్ట్ ఏరియా డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, అంటే చెట్లు లేవనుకోండి, చెట్లు నెంబరింగ్ తగ్గిపోయింది అనుకోండి, ఏ తగ్గిపోతుంది? డిక్రీజ్ అంటే తగ్గిపోవడం. ఏం తగ్గిపోతుంది? వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజనా, వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడా, లేకపోతే వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అవుతాను. మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? మనం ఏం బ్రీచ్ చేస్తాము? ట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఉన్నాయా ట్రీస్? హ్యూమన్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా. ఓకే, సో ట్రీస్ నుంచి ఏ గ్యాస్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది? అది ఎవరు తీసుకుంటున్నారు? ఆక్సిజన్. ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ రిలీజ్డ్ బై ప్లాంట్స్, రైట్? అది ఎవరు తీసుకుంటున్నారు? హ్యూమన్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్హేలింగ్ టు లివ్, రైట్? నౌ వాట్ దీస్ హ్యూమన్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్క్లూడింగ్ అవుట్? ఏమి ఎగ్జైల్ చేస్తామని, ఏమి ఎగ్జైల్ చేస్తామని బయటికి? అవి ఎవరు తీసుకుంటున్నారు? Very good, plants. So carbon dioxide CO2 is taking the plants, right? So plants ki kavalsindi enti? Carbon dioxide. Okay? So plants em release chestayi? Oxygen. Very good. So if plants e levanukondi, manam chetni narkesam anukondi, em avutadi? What happens? Manaki em undadu? Decrease in air, oxygen. So if we decrease area of forest, we will not get oxygen, right? So the volume of oxygen is decreased. Okay, yes. So here we have the question number 3. Answer is 1. Okay, now question number 4, multi-correct. Okay, air is polluted by combustion of. Okay, tell me, do you remember the chulha I told you? Traditional Indian stuff regarding that. Tell me. Burning, combustions, avani unnai cheppanu kada. Reasons how air is polluted by human activities. In that topic, tell me. What is the option, children? All of the above. Okay. Let's see. Coal, charcoal, right? Yeah. Kerosene oil, kerosene. Yeah. Diesel, petrol. Okay. So air ఈ అన్నిటి వల్ల కూడా పొల్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఇవన్నీ కంబషన్, burning, చేస్తే air gets polluted. Very good, because they release harmful gases. మొక్క అనేది రిలీజ్ అవుతాయి కదా. Reasoning type, statement 1 and 2 are given. Okay, air is polluted by gases produced during of firewood in the houses. Okay, children, as we discussed in the topic chulha, gurtunda? Chulha, the traditional Indian stove. So అలాంటి కేసెస్ లో we will observe the exuding of the gases. So the air is getting polluted, right? So wood నుంచి వచ్చింది, coal నుంచి వచ్చింది, kerosene నుంచి యూస్ చేస్తాం కదా. So ఆ ప్రాసెస్ లో we can see the releasing of some harmful gases. So this is statement, right? Now statement 2, decreases in the area of forests causes decreases in the volume of oxygen. Okay, just now we did this bit, no? Previous bit. Yeah. So here the statement is also true. And do we have any relation between them, children? This is all about the air pollution one. This is all about the decreasing in the volume one. Okay. So we have both statements true, but there is no correct explanation between those two. So we'll choose option 2. Okay. Yes. Now next one. Question number 6. Comprehension type. Every organism requires air, water and food for living. Yes. Children, every living organism requires air, water and food for living. Right or wrong? Yes, right. So food kavali, water kavali and air kuda for breathing kavali. The substances exist in an improper ratio in atmosphere. If solid, liquid and gas substances are present in higher volumes than required in the air, it is harmful to air. It is called air pollution, right? So, ఉన్నదానికన్నా ఎక్కువ మోతాదులో సాలిడ్ లిక్విడ్ గ్యాస్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి అట్మాస్ఫియర్లో అది యాక్టింగ్ యాజ్ పొల్యూటెంట్స్ కదా. It causes nothing but air pollution. So, what about the best? Let's see. Comprehension kada paragraph ichi questions istaru, right? So, we have question number 6 dash is used for preventive against pest. Pesticides, very good. For the topic they gave no. Pests ante pesticides, okay? But fungicides, herbicides ఏంటివి? ఫంగస్ ఇంకా హెర్బిసైడ్స్ అంటే దేనికి? హర్బ్స్, చిన్న చిన్న హర్బ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటికి పెడితే హెర్బిసైడ్స్. అవునా? నెక్స్ట్ 7th one. Dash are used for more yield of crops. ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తారు? మోర్ ఈల్డ్. ఈల్డ్ అంటే పంట, ఎక్కువ పంట రావాలంటే ఏం చేస్తారు? సో ఫర్టిలైజర్స్, మాన్యూర్, బయోమాస్, నన్. ఇది మన టాపిక్ లో లేదు, అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద సిలబస్ లో ఉంది, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో అబౌట్ దిస్. ఓకే. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్ మోర్ ఈల్డ్ ఆఫ్ క్రాప్స్ ఏం వేస్తారు మనం? ఇంతగా పెస్టిసైడ్స్ చెప్పాను కదా, అది కంట్రోలింగ్ ఆఫ్ పెస్ట్ కదా. మరి ఆ క్రాప్ బాగా పెరగాలి, హెల్తీగా పెరగాలంటే ఏం వేస్తారు? ఫర్టిలైజర్స్. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో అండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ సింథటిక్ ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ వేస్తారు. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 8th one. The sounds above the audible ranges causes which pollution? Air pollution. అది ఎలా అవుతుంది? Sound pollution. Very good option. Okay. Option 4, sound pollution. Very good. Now 9th is match the following type, children. Here we have A, B, C, D and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options we have. Okay, let's see. System, and here we have carbon compounds, right? Okay, once again, I'll just change it. Okay, carbon compounds. The representation this one. Okay, here should come carbon compound, but it's fine, no problem. Okay, and nervous system, right? Okay, so here we have column 1 and column 2. Okay, we have the word you see, breathlessness. What is that? Breathlessness, and difficulty in breathing. Okay, yeah. So first one, A. Breathlessness in human beings and animals caused due to which one? Which gas? I don't know. In the table of formatory effects of the pollution, air pollution. Very good. Sulfur dioxide is option. Here, sulfur dioxide. Option is 3. So first one A is option 3. Very good. Now B. Smoke containing particles of zinc, chromium and lead. What is that? It causes asthma. Very good. Zinc symbol Zn, chromium symbol Cr, lead symbol Ed. What is option number B? 1. Very good. I'll give in brackets. Okay, now options. Fine. Now C. Cancer. Simply they gave cancer. They will listen cancer. Which one? Which pollutant? We have strontium 90. Okay, that is option 2 here. Okay, next. I'll write in between. Okay. Okay. Now, causes deafness and affects central nervous system. Okay, tell me. Very good. Sound pollution. Where is that? Sound above audible range. Okay, 4. So 3, 1, 2, 4 are right options. Correct matching. Crystalline carbon compound is not required. Okay? Yes. So next we have question number 10. Single correct again. Level 2. Okay. Dash causes breathlessness in human beings and animals. Just now we just saw this one. Good. Breathless. Which gas is that? Sulfur dioxide. Very good. Option 3. Sulfur dioxide. Very good. S is not completed. Sulfur dioxide. Clear? Option 3. Now, 11th question for you children. Multi-correct itself. Okay. What are the factors causing air pollution? Tell me. We discussed so many points now in the particular slides. Yes. Air is polluted by the combustion of fuels. Is it true? Yes. Combustion of fuels such as diesel, kerosene, petrol. Alcohol also. Yeah. Okay. Air is polluted by emission of gas by vehicles. Is it true? Yes. Emission of gases. Next. Air is polluted by industrialization. So much by industries we can see so much of gases are releasing outside, which are very harmful and poisonous too, right? Now, 4th one. Using fertilizers and pesticides in large quantities. If used in large quantities, pesticides may cause air pollution, sir? Very good. So, fertilizers also, okay? If it is in large amount, fertilizers also may air pollution. Next we have all the bits correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct answers. Okay, correct matching for the question. Multi-correct. Next we have question number 12, level 3. Which pollution causes deafness and affects the central nervous system? In the matching we should all be. What is that? Sound pollution. Very good. Now next. Reasoning type. Statement 1 and statement 2 are given, children. So read carefully. Yeah. Statement number 1. The temperature in big cities is higher than in the countryside. Yes. In big cities such as Delhi, Mumbai. Chala ekku untundi kada akkada temperature enduku? Because there is a more pollution, right? Now statement 2. The heat radiations are reflected back in the cities due to the presence of CO2. Different types of black enduku? Because of presence of CO2, right? So if the temperatures enduku ekku untunayi cities lo ante heat radiations unnai kada avi they are reflecting back again to the atmosphere of a particular presence of the area of CO2. See as well again. This is the Earth's surface children, right? So ikkada కొన్ని cities unnai anukondi, big cities unnai. Okay, so big cities unnai ikkada such as Delhi, Mumbai, etc. So ikkada em avutundi actually the heat radiations temperatures అనేవి బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి కదా, వెళ్ళిపోవాలా వద్దా? సో ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక టాప్ లేయర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఏంటది? గ్రీన్ హౌస్ గ్యాసెస్. సో బిగ్ సిటీస్ కి ఎక్కువ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? దిస్ పర్టిక్యులర్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఇస్ అబ్జార్బింగ్ ద energy, heat energy absorb చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ re-emitting to the particular area. ఆ ఏరియాకి మళ్ళీ ఇస్తుంది అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుంది? ఆటోమేటిక్గా టెంపరేచర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. దేనివల్ల? కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ హీట్ ఎనర్జీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్కి ఇస్తుంది కాబట్టి. ఓకే, దట్స్ ద రీజన్ వై యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే both the statements are having the matching and it is having statement 2 is explaining correct for statement number 1. Okay, so we have here correct explanation for statement 1, that is option 1. Okay, yes. Next, 14th one, single correct option. Okay, level 4, right? The trapping of solar heat energy in Earth's atmosphere is called greenhouse gases laga. Into a topics unnai kada, effect. Yeah, very good. Greenhouse effect. Very good. Next, 15th one, we have matching types, volume 1, volume 2 given. Okay. Atomic explosions, combustion of fuels, the ozone layer, sound pollution and airplane jet plane. Now we have all here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have. Okay, tell me now, atomic explosions wala emotundi? Atomic bombs pelte emotundi? It is very dangerous kada, cancer వస్తాయి. దానివల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? hazardous to plants and animals. Yes, option is 3. we have combustion of fuels, the ozone layer. Combustion of, actually ozone layer is sorry. Combustion of fuels is okay. Either destroys the ozone layer ikkada raavali, okay? Next. Combustion of fuels. Any answer? Very good. Headache, will get headache. Very good. Combustion of fuels, answer is 4. Headache. Now, sound pollution. ఎక్కువ sound pollution ఏమవుతుంది? Deafness ఇంకా mental disability. Very good. Option is 1. Now, next we have aeroplane and jet plane. దీనివల్ల this is to destroys the ozone layer. Okay, main అది first మనం తీసుకోవాలి ఏంటంటే it causes the destruction of the ozone layer. Okay, so fifth one, this of skin is neglected. Okay, 3, 4, 1 to the right option. Actually multi correct, sorry, matching right. Next we have single correct, level 5. Okay, the gases is or are released by factories. ఏంటివి? ఇంకా డస్ట్, స్మోక్, ఇంకా సూప్ కూడా. సో ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ 4, all the above. Okay, next 17th one, the percentage of carbon dioxide in air is. ఎంత ఉంటుంది పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఎయిర్ లో? స్టార్టింగ్ వీడియోలో చూసుకున్నాం కదా, ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 0.00%. వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే, yeah. Now, comprehension level 4. The trapping of solar heat energy in Earth's atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. So, these were bits I will show. First one, 18th. What is or are the greenhouse gases? Tell me what are the greenhouse gases? Let's see again the picture presentation. Carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor. We have options over here. Yes, carbon dioxide we have. Water vapor also we have, and also methane also we have. So all the above options. Option 4 is right. Now, next bit. Dash is, okay, dash will result in submerging of coastal regions and islands. Then valla submerging of coastal regions and islands. Then valla avunayanta. Dash will result in submerging of coastal regions and islands. Then valla thermal power stations వల్ల, స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్స్ వల్ల, విండ్మిల్స్ వల్ల, గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్ వల్ల. కాంప్రహెన్షన్ టైప్ కదా, దేని వల్ల మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం మనం? గ్రీన్ హౌస్ గ్యాసెస్. సో దేనికి రిలేటెడ్ ఉంటుంది ఆన్సర్? వెరీ గుడ్, గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్. గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్, గ్లోబల్ అంటే ఎర్త్, వార్మింగ్ అంటే సో గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్ వల్ల, గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్ విల్ రిజల్ట్ ఇన్ ద సబ్మర్జింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? సబ్మర్జ్, మునిగిపోవడం. ఓకే, ఆఫ్ coastal regions and islands. Okay, yes, we have one more. Dash is or are acts as reflectors during greenhouse effect. Tell me. We have options: CO2 molecules and carbon dioxide molecules, clouds, both 1 and 2 and none. Water acting as reflectors. Reflectors ఏం యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయి డ్యూరింగ్ గ్రీన్ హౌస్ ఎఫెక్ట్? టెల్ మీ. హింటా? ఓకే, స్కైలో ఉన్నాయి. You observe CO2 molecules? Yes. So what about clouds, children? Yes, clouds are also acting as a reflector during greenhouse effect. So options both 1 and 2 are right. Okay. చూసారా ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చారో ఈజ్ అంటే మల్టీగా ఉంటాయి ఆన్సర్ అని అంటాం. That's a trick. Okay. So we have, this is the worksheet 3 bits for you children. This lesson is completed. What lesson name? Air and its constituents. We discussed air and its constituents in concept 1, concept 2 lo empty, air pressure, and 3 lo air pollution. So all these 3 topics are easy to remember and easy to do the bits too. Okay. Practice once again thoroughly. Confident to practice cheyandi, confident bits cheyandi. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this session in this particular chapter, children. If any doubts, let us know and we will clarify that. Okay. This is all about the worksheet 3 bits and the video for you. The chapter is closed here. Okay. Thank you. See you soon.